Hadian bawan ke jingtha na Ministry of Home Affairs, jong ke Sarkar India babarok ki jela, hari India ki dewan Pynlong ya kawar mock drill, lani ke jing ai jing hikai, ban yada ya ke jing im, habawan ke Thma, menta ke sengi ke nyauterik ujemang arja arpusan, ujoin Director ke Civil Defence, but join Commandant General ke Home Guard UMK Sangma, ula pintip ba ke jela, kan sepelong ya ke ni ke jing ai jing hikai, bakin thop ya ke jing pensawa siren, bat ke jing penlip boarding electric ni ke blackout, kaban sedang hakapor riusteng janmir a Shillong juwai batura. Nalor kani ujoin director wala pentip ru bahakapor sau buje kani ka mock drill kan long Hasin Anthony School bat hakawai pat ke school na du kapor sau buje janmir. Habakranch kilat pathai KHUBOR ujoin director wala kintu ki pajba bakin yasnok tilang kani ka jing ai jing hikai ban yada yala dia bat kim dai bandon ka jing tiang na ka jing sawa ka siren bat ka jing penlip lai.
We'll sound the siren again. That is one stretch sound for 1 minute. That means it's all clear sound. That means you are safe to come out. Warning means air raid is coming. That means you have to hide yourself, cover yourself. If you have a bunker, go to the bunker. If you are inside the house, like safe house, you're supposed to go inside and do dropped, and then cover your ears and stuff like that. And then once you have the all clear siren, you're supposed to come out. So that all clear siren will also demolish the whole exercise, the mock drill exercise. That means that we will conclude the mock drill exercise as well. So any questions on the mock drill?
Can you tell us what will happen at 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock we are doing exercise. Actually, we have a sequence of mock drills. Initially, we are connected with the Air Force through hotline. Air Force will intercept the air raid threat, and then they will inform the Regional Civil Defense Control Center here in Shillong. And then once the Regional Civil Defense Control Center get the information from Air Force, they will inform via hotline or radio communications, whatever communications available they have. And then once they receive the information from the Air Force, they will sound the siren. But it is at 4 o'clock, so we will not sound the siren because we want to do it simultaneously with the blackout. Because blackout at 4:30 will not make any sense. So it is just for the exercise only. So we will be doing it in the evening, sounding of siren and then the blackout, because 4:30 it's still very bright. So the Regional Civil Defense Control Center, they will inform all the districts control center, and district control center, of course, army also we have a connection, line connection. So we will inform the army, and then we'll inform selected VIPs via our line communications, and then they will inform the district civil defense control center. Then district civil defense control center will inform the district administration. They have a state EOC, district EOC there, and then they will inform our warden service. We have a warden service in localities, in all localities. In Shillong also we have, in Tura also we have, Juwai we have. I was told yesterday by our one of our officers from Nong Soin that they have a warden service in Nong Soin as well. So these are the basic things that we'll be doing, and then apart from all this, like they'll be responding as well. SDRF will be responding in the border areas also. They'll be responding in some simulation incident in Dauki Bridge, and then in Daulu in the border areas, 2 border areas. Then they will do it in Lamukra also, and they will do it in Tura also, in schools. One in Anthony School and the other one in Upper Chamari Higher Secondary School, evening school, because by after 4, there won't be any day school. So we have selected the evening schools in Anthony's and in Upper Chamari Higher Secondary School. Apart from SDRF, fire service is also involved. Fire service will respond in all the districts. Deputy controller of civil defense or the civil defense officers, whoever is in charge there, will liaise with the fire service, and they will simulate the fire incident in the districts. So fire service will respond in all the districts. Apart from that, we have a quick response team of civil defense and home guards in the districts. mobilized by the deputy controller. So they will do minor rescue work once they received information from warden service, from the wardens in their locality, because in each locality we have a warden, we have a sector warden, we have a post warden, the divisional warden. So accordingly, once they receive the information about the incidents in their locality, the deputy controller, the district civil defense control center, they will be activated, and once they receive the information about the incident, they will activate the SDRF and they will activate the quick response team, and then they will respond. And the warden service, until the SDRF or the fire service or the quick response teams arrive, they will keep on doing the rescue work until they arrive. They will do the rescue operations on the surface casualties, because they are not trained to go inside the building, collapse structures. So they will not do that, but they will try to rescue the surface casualties wherever the casualties are there, in the open air or maybe near the verandas. They will try to take them out and then put them in the safer areas. Or this is basically just to check our machineries. Our machineries, in the sense like civil defense machineries only. We already had a set up existing machineries. Like we have a warden service, we have sirens, we have other machineries. We are just checking the QR team. We are just checking how, where, I know there'll be many shortfalls, and we have to learn from these shortfalls. And this is a time to learn. And we haven't had a war for many years, and we forgot about all these things. We forgot about trends, we forgot about air raids, we forgot about what actually happened in 1971. So this is basically just to test our capabilities, civil defense capabilities. So that's why we are not involving everybody right now. But in a second phase, we'll be having a full scale mock drill, which will involve police, which will involve fire service, which will involve PWD, which will involve medical. All stakeholders will be involved. We'll have I think statewide mock drill again.